I want to go over the week, what we have in store this week for y'all. Hopefully everything's going fine. I know last week we had a problem with access to the Macs and software in the lab. Hopefully that has been taken care of. If it continues to be a problem, let me know, or Andy will let me know, I'm sure, and we'll adjust as we need to. And if anybody's having a problem with access to the software you need anyway, just give me a shout, drop me an email, and I'll see what I can do to help out with that. All right, for this week, what we've got a couple things. We're starting a new project. It's going to be icon design. So I've got some things for you to do. I've got some videos for you to watch, an introduction page. I've got a demo on the project, how you can get started, and just kind of a overview of how I would approach that project. Be sure and read the instructions for the project. And let's see what else. You've got a discussion board post you'll need to do. That's a work in progress discussion board for Project 2. How's it going? Some of you have already done that. That's fine. And then you will submit Project 2 at the end of the week. It is due on the 6th by 11:30 p.m. What you'll do is you'll submit 2 separate PDF files, one for each word. Make sure you submit them that way, and also be sure and put your name in the file. That makes it a whole lot easier for me. Be sure and watch all the videos though, and be sure and do your discussion boards. Those are required, and get things in on time. And if you turn something in, even if it's unfinished, that's okay, because I will give you some time if if things get tough, especially with our access this semester to the lab. Submit something unfinished, and I'll give you time to go. I'll give you, you might get a bad grade on it, but I'll give you time to go back and fix it, finish it for potentially the full points. I know it's a tough semester with the way things are running right now, and we don't have as much access to the lab as I'd like, so I want to make sure that I'm doing everything I can to help you if you're finding it tough to get access to the computers. But be sure and go over all these things on the checklist and shoot me some emails if you have questions. The thing is, I want to remind you all that you must do the discussion boards. Those are required. So make sure you do those every week. It's a way, again, to keep you participating and engaged in the course outside of the study session. So you have to do those. Please make sure you do. And so that's it for this week. If you have questions, you can contact me directly. You can send them through Andy. He can contact me. Let me know if you all are having some issues, or if you want some more instructions on a project. If you can let me know early, I will try to get that to you. Maybe do some new videos or whatever. And also, I'd like for us to be able to try to use as much of the study session for a lab time to work on the Macs as possible, just because your access is so limited. So I want to try to keep videos from me for you all to watch during class to a minimum, but have some there that you can watch on your own time or whatever, so you can really use that lab time to work on your projects, because it's so limited this semester. And again, if anything changes and we can get some access to more lab time, I will be sure and let you know. All right, just drop me an email with any questions. Thanks.